Hello, my friends. It is time for an update or a just like overview of this month, because let me tell you, this month has gone by whoosh, right? Am I right? I'm telling you, this has been an amazing, amazing month. And I'm a little concerned you might have missed one or two items that we released, and I don't want you to miss out on them. So let's start at the top of the month and work our way down. The first item we released for this month is our awesome, adorable, fuzzy wuzzy, cozy yummy llama. Fold It for the Fold It Club. And look at how cute this little guy is. Perfect for banners, perfect for scrapbook pages, perfect for Fold It cards, meaning shaped cards. This was in our Fold It Club. If you are not in the Fold It Club, you cannot buy this. So it's only for Fold It Club members. So go check out that club if you're not in it. Then we released for our Stamp and Die Hard Club members our cozy sweaters, also known as crazy sweaters, but they had so many different options. They were so fun. Here's one, here's another one with the add-on items. If you're in the Stamp and Die Hard Club, make sure you got those add-ons, because there are so many fun add-ons, including this cute little scarf. Look at that little guy. He is so cute. He's on the puppy love dies. Love that. And the hat. Look at that. Also, look at how gorgeous these are. Let's eat, drink, and be tacky. I love it. Oh, we also released, look at this background, you guys. The sweater background. How appropriate, because we released sweaters. Oh, here's another fun one. Oh dear. And that cute little reindeer. Oh my goodness gracious. I love him. Now, we also released the home gatefold. Look at this. Ready? The house. Oh, look at that. Remember our tree that we released? Sold out instantly. This one was just as popular. Absolutely, positively love it. Love it, love it, love it. Then we went back a little bit and did some fall stuff. And let me tell you, our warm and cozy knocked it out of the park, because it was so popular. You got to get the pieces that are still in stock. Look at this. Oh, with even our pumpkin Fold It. You guys, I am telling you, I love this Stamp and Die set. So much fun. Then, oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, Crazy Town. We released this awesome paper pad, and this was kind of the day that we released all those items that probably should have been in a kit, but we sold them separately because I knew you were going to want more than one paper pad. Look at those. Oh, how fun. Wouldn't that be fun to, yeah, die cut? There you go. Boom. There it is. You can die cut the paper pad. There's a couple there's a couple pages that you can die cut in here with these matching dies. But these matching dies are also great on their own. They're also perfect for our Merry Flip It. Here it is. Here it is in all its glory, in all its glitter glory. Absolutely stunning, right? Options. It can say Merry, or you can use the stamp set that was sold separately. But look at this one. Look at this tree. Isn't that stunning? I know. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love it. So this is the stamp that went with this die. So lots of options, you guys. Then we released our cute little elephant Fold It. I absolutely love this little guy, but look, he is on a gatefold on this one, because look at this, you guys. Ready? 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 I miss you tons. Ah! Yeah, we released this die as well. I miss you tons. Perfect for the front also. Ah! We also introduced a new shape this month. I hope you like this shape as much as I do. It's very versatile, and you're going to be seeing more of it in different ways. So here it is. It's called Graceful. Look how gorgeous it is. Here it is by itself with no dies inside, just a stamp. Absolutely beautiful. You can see you can use it vertical or horizontal. The choice is yours. And it comes with those cute little hearts. I know, they're fun. We also re-released, because I took this on HSN 3 years ago, the pop-up inside 3D pop-up. Look at that. Look at that. And it comes with the word hello and congrats for the side. We also released, by popular demand, the standing reindeer I took on HSN years ago. And if you missed it when it was in a kit, the diagonal stencil and the swish card, A1 swish. This was in a card kit. You know those fun boxes that look like this, Happy Mail? Yeah, this was in one of our card kits, because in our card kits, lots and lots of times, more often than not, you're getting an A1 card base included in the price. Do we charge you extra? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. It's included. So if you weren't in that card kit, you can buy it separately now. Bummer, but you got to do it. It also, though, is a 2-for-1. It also has A1 dotted rectangles in here as well. What? I know. And a layering die and the words Happy Holidays. I know, it's crazy. It's insane. It's awesome. But also, my friends, we released the most awesome card kit ever. And I'm going to show it to you because if you're not in it, we have a couple left. Get in ASAP. Do not miss out on this card kit. Look at this one. Here's the paper pad. Warm wishes, warm wishes. Hello, Stampin' Die Hard Club members. Boom, boom, boom. Also, I don't know if I told you guys this in a long time. If you're in the Die Hard Club and you add the Card Kit Club, you save an extra $5. Okay, you save an extra $5. So we take $5 off your Die Hard subscription when you add the card kit. I know. So you could get the dies and the stamps that match this, right? Look at that. Oh, look at all those awesome pieces and all this fun paper. Okay, love it, right? But, oh, you're getting stickers, you're getting other stickers, you're getting embellishments, you're getting words, you're getting wire hangers. You're also getting an A1 folded, yes, and it matches the cute little icon on the t-shirt, on the sweaters. I know, you guys, A1 folded. An A1 card base, hello? I know, isn't that amazing? Go check out our card kit club. You guys, the hardest part about the Stamps of Life is deciding which clubs to be in. We have some of you that are just like, oh, I can't stand it. I don't know which one I want to be in. I want to be in them all. And they are called Diamond Club members. Diamond Club members get extra points each month. They also save that extra $5 because they're in two of those, the Die Hard and the Card Kit Club. And they get 20% off our entire website. 20. Also, on the anniversary, so if you're in one club, you can add the others. You can add the others. It doesn't have to be at the same time. But also, on their anniversary for their Die Hard Club, they get a $15 gift certificate. On the anniversary of their Fold It Club, they get a $15 gift certificate. On the anniversary of their Card Kit Club, they get a $25 gift certificate. 25 plus 15 plus 15, that's 30, that's 25. $55 worth of gift certificates every year if you're in the Diamond Club member. And extra points and 20% off. It's amazing. And all the freebies that we send out. I'm going to go sign up right now. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, because I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye. you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.